Hello friend, now we are going to start digestive gland. So digestive gland is the gland which is helpful for or responsible for the digestion of the food. So there are all kind of the stuff we are taking like carbohydrate, protein and fat. So it is which is digested by the gland. So which gland secrete the substance which contain enzyme. So digestion occurs through the enzyme which is secreted from the various digestive gland. We have a different dimension of the alimentary canal, and throughout the alimentary canal present in the body. So there are various type of salivary gland like various gland types of gland like salivary gland, liver, pancreas, intestinal gland, etc. So first we start the salivary gland. So salivary gland is the gland which is present in mouth region, and it secretes a watery substance called saliva. So saliva secreted by the salivary. So here is the salivary gland. So 1, 2, 3. It means 3 pair of salivary gland. So one present above the or in the brain region just above the earlobe, and another salivary glands like submandibular gland and sublingual gland. So sublingual gland present below the tongue and submandibular below the maxilla region or in the region of the mandible bone. So these are the 3 types of or 3 pairs salivary glands, and its secretion through the duct. So parotid gland secreted through the extension duct, sublingual gland through the Wharton ravenous duct, and submandibular gland through the Wharton duct. So there are various type of ducts. So name these ducts, and it secretes the saliva, and per day saliva secretes 1.5 liter saliva. So saliva mainly contain mostly water, about 99% water, mucus, bactericidal enzymes, lysozyme present, and one of the most peculiar thing present in saliva is salivary amylase, also called ptyalin. So ptyalin act on the food or carbohydrate food starch and convert starch into disaccharide maltose, isomaltose and limit textile. So this is the first digestion of carbohydrate which is occurs in mouth region, which is occurs through the secretion of the saliva which contain enzyme, and saliva also help in moist the food and help the food become a swelling bolus like structure. So that food is called bolus, and swelling food just freely goes to the rest part of the alimentary canal or into the esophagus through pharynx. So this is all about related to the salivary gland. Okay. Now the second gland is pancreas. So pancreas, a gland which is leaf like structure. It is a lobular gland. It is a multilobular gland. It also possesses both exocrine as well as endocrine part. So exocrine part contain or which secrete the pancreatic juice, and endocrine part which help in secretion of hormones is endocrine in nature. But exocrine gland which contain acinus. So this is the structure of the pancreas. It looks like a leaf and many lobules are present. So lobules, inside the lobules a ductules are present, a ductules which combine or which join to form a lobular duct, and then lobular duct which join to form a pancreatic duct, and then pancreatic duct combined with the bile duct to form hepatopancreatic duct. So hepatopancreatic open into the duodenum of small intestine. So this is the outer structure of the pancreas. So inside or internal structure pancreas which contain acinus as well as Langerhans cells. So pancreatic acini we secrete pancreatic juice which have able to digest all three type of food like carbohydrate, protein, fat. So here is the how the so mainly the pancreatic juice contain 6 type of enzyme. First is protein digestive enzyme, trypsin, chymotrypsin, carboxypeptidase, nuclease, pancreatic amylase, pancreatic lipase. So trypsin, chymotrypsin, carboxypeptidase help in protein digestion, nuclease help in digestion of nucleic acid, amylase help in digestion of carbohydrate, and pancreatic lipase help in breakdown of the fat. So droplet fat emulsified fat convert into fatty acid and glycerol. So this is the function of the pancreatic juice which contain various type of enzyme. So here is all about the pancreas as well as the salivary gland. Okay, thank you.